Hey there, folks. Greg Shepard here. Did you recently initiate lifetime income or 5-year fixed period payment option from TIAA? Did you tell TIAA to withhold the default on the taxes for those payments? If you did, stay tuned. I might have some information that's going to benefit you. All right. For those of you that don't know me, again, name is Greg Shepard. The lighting isn't usually this bright. Someone will get fired over that, I promise, and we'll get that fixed. But I specialize in helping folks all over the country just make the most out of those TIAA accounts and just simplify your TIAA lives. Okay, let's get going here. No one's going to get fired. I was just kidding. Let me set the stage because I know a lot of you folks out there are going to fall into this category. And by the way, I'm not a CPA. I don't want to be a CPA. I don't want to do taxes. So make sure you consult your CPA before you, I guess, implement any of these thoughts. But I will tell you this. I'll preempt by telling you this. The IRS states that if you make under a certain amount gross per year, you don't have to file a tax return. Now, I know a lot of you out there, everybody out there says, well, that doesn't impact me. I make $90, $100, $200,000. All right. Obviously, you pay taxes. If you initiate a lifetime income annuity option, okay, that I'll give you an example, and you're under 65 years old, okay, 2025 states that if it's under $15,000, TIAA is going to default that tax withholding to zero. Why? Because that source of income, that threshold is less than the amount needed for one to file an actual federal tax return. Okay, so the IRS looks at that individual income source, it's less than that threshold, so the tax withholding default is zero. Now, why is this important? Okay, so let's move on. This individual that came on board as a client, we initiated a lifetime income. The payments were like $14,000 something. Okay, he's under 65 years old, single. We have a 5-year fixed period payment. Okay, again, the payments were relatively small considering, but TIAA defaulted, okay, to a certain amount. I can't remember exactly. It was like a single digit tax withholding. So two of these sources of income were withholding like 4%. That ain't going to cut it, right? We took the liquid monies and other contracts, rolled it over to an IRA. Okay, now he already went through a tax year. He owed the Fed and state more than he thought he should. So he came on board. I figured this problem out pretty quickly. Now you have two options. This individual had two options going forward. A, you could contact TIAA, submit a W-9P, W-49, WD-40 form. I can't keep the number straight. It's an IRS form that you submit with TIAA that tells TIAA to withhold a certain dollar amount. TIAA doesn't deal with percentages, so it's a dollar amount, okay? You could do that. That's kind of a headache. Or you could simply over-withhold on the rollover IRA distributions, which we did. Took a couple clicks of the mouse. So we over-withheld for the rollover IRA distributions to make up for the zero withholding on the lifetime income annuity option, the small withholding on the 5-year fixed guaranteed period, okay? So I know a lot of you out there, what I want you to do, I'll tell you what, I'll put a link down below. I just went to TurboTax, okay? You can Google this information. What is the income threshold for one to file a tax return? If your annuity payment is less than that, folks, TIAA is going to default to that zero, okay? Which makes sense. You need to tell TIAA via a form how much to withhold, or withhold from a different income source more. Add to your withholding to make up for that 0%. Okay, I think you all are catching what I'm throwing down here. All right, deep breath. Again, I'm not a CPA, folks, but if you want me to help unwind your situation, just simplify your TIAA lives, my contact information below. Now I know no one's going to get fired because the sun coming through my shade. That's what's brightening the scene here. Okay, you all take care. All right, bye-bye.